Okay, for those installing glass tile, there are some important applications that need to be required first.
Number one, you want to make sure you're not using a porcelain or ceramic blade from your wet tile saw. Here's an example. You can see all the chipping. As you can see behind it, it's got a white filament which the mortar will stick to.
This is a blade that I would recommend.
Alright, so there you have it. This one is from a porcelain blade. This one is the blade I just showed you. Big difference. And that's what you want, because otherwise you don't want your backsplash looking like crap. The proper mortar for this particular tile glass is you want to get this back. You don't want to use the stuff they sell at box stores. You gotta have the proper mortar for it to stick properly. A quick note too, the mortar and thin sand that they sell at Home Depot or Lowe's, you know, the gray and the white stuff, it will bleed through once it dries behind this glass, and you'll see it on this side. I got this at Floor & Decor. Definitely recommend. So this is a trowel.
Dum dum da dum.
So here it is. I got it all done. Let this baby cure overnight. Tomorrow, do the grouting.